Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the call background. Okay, so it's real simple to do and it's quite fun as well, guys. So I'm going to take you through what to do. So just open up the dialer, select this little tab up here, select settings, and here you will find call background. Okay, so call background, select a picture or video to show when you make or receive calls. Down here at the bottom, there's two options, layout and background. So let's take a look at layout. Okay, so choose how to show caller information for contacts with profile pictures. Okay, so if you want your contact's profile picture to show up big like this each time they call or when you call them, you would select this option. If you want the profile picture of the incoming caller to show small, you would select this option here. So I like to see my contact's face big each time they call me, so I'm going to keep the default option set. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so if you select background, these are the 4 default videos that you can set as the background for each time you're making a call to one of your contacts or each time they call you with an incoming call. So let's take a look at the first video. Okay, so if Christina Adams was calling me, this is the video I would see. And as you can see, it's quite boring, nothing going on whatsoever, guys. So I really wouldn't want to keep that background. So let's go back and check out the others. Okay, so let's have a look at the second one. Okay, I see movement, but still, nah, not much going on. So I wouldn't really use that. Let's have a look at the third one. Okay, there's a lot more movement going on there. This one's not too bad. So if you want to use this, just simply select set as call background. Now let's have a look at the fourth one. Way! Now there's a lot going on here, guys. Check him out with dreads. Whoa, they're really boogieing on down there, aren't they, on the dance floor? It's nicely animated, this video. So yeah, this is definitely one I would use. You can also use video sound as ringtone as well. So just keep that little toggle on and just simply set as call background. So each time one of your contacts calls, this is the video you would see. And if you select the little plus tab here, this is where all the fun really begins, guys. So here you can add call background by select from gallery. So if you select from gallery, you can add any of your contacts' photos and then set as call background. Or you can add a video. And if you select the little scissors here, you can trim the video as well. You can chop it down to however long you want the video to play for on the incoming call, and then hit done. And it also works with the outgoing calls, remember that, guys. So I'm just going to discard that for the moment. And you can also create using AR emoji. So let's check that out. So you can select an emoji for the background, for a new background. So I've already got an emoji that I created earlier. And you can download different videos for the background. And they all play their own different music. They've all got their different music to play for the background ringtone. So there's loads to choose from. Or if you want, you can select the little plus sign and you can create your own emoji for each of your contacts. So if, like I said, if you've got pictures of your contacts in the gallery, you can just select this option, create from image, and just choose the pictures of each of your contacts and create an emoji for each of your contacts. So, for example, if I select this picture, hit done, select male, there's the female option, there's also the little child option, hit next. So it's going to start creating the emoji based on the picture, and here you can just have some fun customizing your contact's face and hairstyle. And skin tone. Also, can add beards and mustaches. And change the colors of the beard. And if you select style, you can also dress him up. So there's a nice wardrobe of different clothes that you can dress him up in. Okay guys, I've just had to re-edit him. So you can put some shoes on him as well. Also a hat. And then once you're finished, just go ahead and hit next. And all done. And like I said, you can download any different background. And then just simply save it. And then set it as your caller background to whichever one of your contacts. And like I said, you can create an emoji for each one of your contacts just simply by selecting the little plus sign there. I don't know if there's a limit as to how many emojis you can create, but I just like the fact that they give us this option to add the caller background. It's really cool. So yeah guys, that was just my video. I know it's long, it's over 10 minutes, but this was my video showing you how to change the caller background on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This will also work on the regular S22 and also the S22 Plus. Anyway, that's it for the video guys. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.